notice that the wire came off of the window. It's not disconnected, it's actually completely come off the window. And to fix this, first of all, you have to disconnect it. Or try. This is definitely not going as planned. Alright, well, that's not coming off, so we'll try it without removing that, see if it'll work. It's a two-part process. There's the cleaner, and then there's the conductive epoxy. So the first part is to peel open this packet and thoroughly clean this. And then it says to wait 5 minutes, so we're going to wait 5 minutes. Okay, the next step has some very specific instructions. While this was curing for 5 minutes or whatever, it says to mix this packet till it has a uniform beige color. I don't know if it's really showing up on camera, but I've been mixing it for 5 minutes, so it's very uniform. Basically it says cut the top of this off, put a drop on here, not on here, but actually on where the glass is. And you're going to hold that on there for 1 minute, and then it says don't use this for 24 hours. It also says don't connect this wire back to it for 24 hours. Obviously I can't get that piece out of there. I don't know what is going on in there. So after I hold that for a minute, I'm going to actually put some painter's tape over it to hold it a little more securely, and we'll see if this is going to work. Yeah, it's been a minute, and of course it's not sticking at all. So I have to say that's pretty much a failure. The only thing it seems to stick to is your fingers. Alright, I'm going to try the tape. At this point it's looking like it's a total failure, but hey, you never know. Maybe in 24 hours of sticking here with some tape. It's not working at all. So very, very, very useless product, I would say. I don't know if I got a defective one or what, but it did not work at all.